Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about files introduction and using files in C, part of programming in C course. In C programming, files are used to store data permanently. The file operations can be performed using standard library functions such as fopen, fclose, fread, fwrite, etc. The file operations allow the program to read and write data from a file, rather than standard input or output devices such as keyboards and screens. A file is a collection of data stored on a permanent storage device, such as hard disk. A file is a data structure which is used to organize data in a specific manner for a particular purpose. Files in C can be used to store and retrieve data from a disk. There are two main types of files in C: text files and binary files. To use files in C, you need to perform the following steps. Open a file, read or write data, and close the file. Use the fopen function to open a file. The function takes two parameters: the name of the file and the mode in which the file will be opened. Example, R for read, W for write, etc. If the file does not exist, it will be created. Read or write. Once the file is opened, you can use various functions such as fprintf, fscanf, fputc, and fgetc to write or read data from the file. Close the file. Use the fclose function to close the file and release the resources used by it. Here is an example. In this code, creates file named example.txt and writes the string "this is a sample text file" to it. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.